Hello everyone, gshock here, back at you with another G-Shock unboxing or video, and today we're gonna have a guest over here since we're gonna be talking about panther, cat, feline. So I'm gonna have my assistant sitting over here. Come on. Alright, there you go. It's been a while since this guy get in front of the camera, right? Anyway, we're gonna have a look at the GPR-B1000TF, the Magma Ocean Rangeman. So there are so many things to show to all of you guys, so I'm just gonna skip all of this to the watch. Oh, by the way, I still need to show you guys all the things that came along with the packaging, of course. So this is the first layer, the plastic, and of course this is the paper box, which is really large, and this is the cardboard box with Casio in silver and G-Shock 35th anniversary logo on top. Pretty classy. So let me take this one out. There we go. White interior. And this is the part where they add in all the papers, in this case 3452 manual book. And we also gonna have the charging cable and adapter and some more papers. The adapter I believe to be still the same, right? Yeah, they are not a special adapter similar to the previous, I believe, all GPS Rangeman G-Shock watch. So let me put all this aside. Okay, that should do it. And next is this guy, the box, the hard case box, the trunk case box, or whatever you name that. This is where the watch lies into. There's a plastic, another plastic of course, and another one of those fingerprint proof like metal slab on top. Really gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Now pop it up right away and you'll see this sponge and also G-Shock 35th anniversary logo again in there. And here is the watch. And before I almost forgot one more thing. I'm currently wearing the Magma Ocean G-Shock Frogman watch, by the way, just in case you were wondering. A really gorgeous timepiece. Although they're still the same Frogman, but they are incredibly beautiful. Anyway, let's move on to Rangeman. And this is the pillow. This will be the price tag. So we're gonna have a look at G-Shock Rangeman 35th anniversary GPS navigation function, Bluetooth, GPS solar function, point memory function, compass, barometer, altimeter, thermometer function, and also world time complication as well. This is the reference number, and the price starts at 110,000 Japanese yen, which is quite expensive, but trust me, totally worth it. At the back part of the price tag, there is some all those logos that represent the function that this watch have, but we're not going to talk into that for today's video. We're just going to have a look at all the details that this Rangeman watch have. The function are still just the same to any other Rangeman out there. What makes this one special is the colorway, the finishing, the way that Casio mix and match all the colors into this watch. That what makes this really special. And I gotta say, it totally make my Toyota Land Cruiser collaboration Rangeman really looks like a toy when compared side to side to this Magma Ocean model. It's just much better. The price still pretty okay today because it's just been released, but over time I'm pretty sure you're gonna go way up high and it's gonna be pretty hard to get after this. So let's start by having a look at all the details on the side. Starting out with this side screw bar, it does came in IP plated to black, similar to one on this Team Land Cruiser model, matching with this screw that is locking the sensor guard in there. But as you guys could already see, the buttons came in IP plated to black now. That makes the whole watch much better because it matches all the metals on the side. The cylinder for the mud resisting structure now came in rose gold, really gorgeously made, and it matched very well with the screw on top over here that's locking this antenna or the bezel into place. So the regular one came in IP plated to black. That makes this one difference, and also since it came in a lighter tone, we could see all the finishing on top of the screw head as well. Casio even add the rose gold accents around this solar panel on the watch face, and also the index came in gold a little bit to match with the one on this switch on this side. This indexes at certain angle, it does look like a rose gold, but if you look at it at this angle right now, it looks more like a gold to me. So that is pretty nice as well. It also came with this hairline finish, and let me show you guys. There it goes. Look at all the details, and it matched very well with the hairline finish around this digital display as well, those STN display, and the battery is already dropping by 1 bar. So fine, I could still use all the functions. This watch is solar powered, no worry, but if you want to quickly charge it, you could use the adapter. So moving on to the other side of this watch, you'll see that the same thing applied to these 2 buttons, and the crown now came in gold, not rose gold, gold. It matched very well with this one. Everything else came in rose gold, but this part came in gold, so that is interesting, right? And next is what else? All right, next thing is you'll see that all the lettering on top of the bezel will came in gray colorway, matching with this G-shock, forward and reverse protection, and also the one on the watch strap, navigation system, triple sensor, and this side will have carbon fiber inserted watch band, solar powered and mud resisting structure. The watch band and bezel entirely came in dark gray, almost like it looks like black, right, from poster photo or even regular photos online. But if you compare side to side to black G-shock watch, for example this one, you'll see that the tones aren't the same. For example, this Mod Master, you can see that the tones are the same as well. It is a little bit more dark gray added into it, more than just black. So that makes the whole piece really look like a Magma. So interesting, right? Next thing is the watch band keeper now came in rose gold with 3-5 stars and 3/5 anniversary writings, brush finish on top, matte finish all around on the sides, no more printing. This is the watch buckle, now came in IP plated to black. I mean, the whole black IP plated thing around this watch really makes the watch look much more professional in my opinion. When you wear the watch, it didn't pop as much as compared to when you're wearing something like this. Silvers is lighter in tone, it will flash a lot of lights, but not for this guy. So this one is much better. The watch band still features similar style of construction. It is still really soft, but you cannot see the carbon fiber sheets in there anymore. Look at that. But you could tell that there's a carbon fiber by looking at the code down here. Look at that. There is a CF there. CF writings that indicating that there's a carbon fiber sheets in there. Both sides goes with the same, and what I like to point out more is the tone. The red tone down here is not the regular ones that you could get out there. For example, I have this watch band. This is from the GW6900, the burning red series G-shock watch. You'll see that the tone aren't the same, although they look almost like they're the same thing, but they are not. This one is matte finish, this one is matte dial. So in a way, this part is much more sweat resistant. It won't get discolored as easy compared to when you're wearing other colorway. And this is one from the Rising Red 30th anniversary release watch band. You'll see that the tone aren't the same as well. There you go. This one is much more deeper in red, so it looks much better. And I have another one for comparison. This is the Sneaker Freaker collaboration G-shock watch. It does come with a red layering at the bottom of the strap, and you'll see that the tone aren't the same. This one is similar to this one. This one is slightly deeper compared to these two. This one is a lot deeper, so it looks times better compared to the usual models out there. But when you wear the watch, that changed the game as well, because now this red could appear pops even better compared to when you're wearing something like this. Alright, now since we are already at the bottom layer, let's have a look at this buckle again. There's a Council Japan sign at the bottom of it, and this is the back plate, which is obviously a fingerprint magnet. But let's have a look. It is indeed made out of ceramic with DLC coated, if I'm not mistaken, similar as the one on here and the one on the Frogman. But now you don't have any one of those feline panther logo, a cat logo at the back as the one you have on this Team Land Cruiser model. Look at that. Now you now have the 3/5 anniversary logo instead. Global positioning system writings, 3452 modules, GPR-B1000, ceramic back, low temperature LCD, Japan age, water resist to 20 bar. and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, they're still made from the exactly same factory, so you should expect similar qualities. But in my case, it does break. But this watch works fine, the crown works fine, so no complaint. And now let's have a look at the watch function. If you want to know the details what this watch could do, check the Watch Up 69 channel instead. He created a lot of videos talking about the function, all the technicalities that you might want to know if you really consider getting the watch for practical wear. For me, however, mostly gonna be wearing this for fashion only. This one is for functions, and I have a feeling that the price gonna go up after this. You'll still be able to grab this today, so good luck with that. Now, since we are already in the topic of functions, let's quickly run through what this G-Shock Rangeman watch have. So first of all, at hometown it has day timekeeping, and you could swap this display. Actually, literally, there's a display options on top. Select using this button and you could display the screen, either timekeeping with navigation if you are using the GPS, and you also time and barometer, time and sunrise, sunset, time and world time. So it's all up to you guys. Let me set this to time and sunrise and sunset instead. My Rangeman on this side right now is, you know what, let's try. Look at that, the battery is incredibly low. I cannot use the buttons at all. So that's what's happened when the battery runs to 1 bar. I'm gonna need to charge this watch. I haven't been wearing this watch for over a few weeks now, so no wonder. Anyway, let's move back to this guy. So you'll see that there's a lot of settings that you could run through in this G-Shock watch, which is really easy. It's much easier to use compared to when you're using this or other master of G today. So it's really intuitive. So next is we'll have a connect, compass, altimeter, which operates using the sensor, the atmospheric pressure sensor, and also GPS. Yeah, the altimeter uses the GPS to calculate the height, the elevations. Next is barometer, sunrise and sunset, tide graph, moon phase, stopwatch, timer, world time, and back to timekeeping. So a lot of functions. This is where you access the navigations, point memory, recall. You could pair this watch to your phone and then setting the watch from your phone and send the setting to the watch, and the other way around when you're sending the GPS tracking to your phone. It's just really complicated watch. I highly recommend you guys to check Watch Up 69 if you want to know the details. Oh, last but not least is let's have a look at the LED light, which gonna glows at there, 3 o'clock position over there. There you go, which is pretty basic, not as uniform, but you will be able to use the watch at nighttime, so you're good to go. And if you're wondering how this watch was constructed into the way it is, I already disassembled this Rangeman and show you guys the construction, the interior. Will it be worth it or not? It is entirely up to you. The content is already out there. Have a look and decide by yourself. And let me remove my Frogman Magma Ocean model, and let me wear the watch and just show you guys how it will looks like. The comfort is still the same as the regular GPS Rangeman. The fits still the same. They are incredibly nice. You could have a skinny wrist and you could still wear this G-Shock watch, no problem, for daily wear. Then again, if you want to be wearing this for professional wear, for hiking, for any one of those activities, you could wear this watch as well. It will look really good. People are gonna get jealous of this guy when you wear the watch on your wrist. So that is how it is for this watch. I want to hear you guys' opinion on this G-Shock watch as well. Will you buy the watch? Will you not? What are the things that really turn you down from getting this G-Shock watch at the first place? That would be a really interesting thing to share in the comment section down below. Let's see how it goes. And for now, that sums it all up. If you have any concern at all, just ask me from the comment section down below. I'll get back to you right away and help you out if you have any problems at all regarding these models. Alright, for now, that sums it all up. Thank you very much for watching. This is gshock, and